What's up, guys? I hope all of you are doing really good. This is Inteto Tech with another video. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's get to today's video. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your Gmail password in case you have forgotten it. So let's go to Gmail. So this is as you can see, this is the account I want to change the password. So you just go to the icon on your screen, the small icon. Have you seen mine is J? So you click on it, you go to manage your Google account. So wait for it to load. You can see home, personal info, data personalization, security, people and sharing. So you go to personal info. Now you can see my profile, my name, my birthday, gender, password. So I last changed my password on 23rd November 2018. So I want to change it today. I want to reset it for you to see. So you click on your password. So you wait for it to load. Okay, as we are waiting. Okay, so they said to continue, first verify that it's you. Now you don't know your password, you have forgotten your password, so you go to forgot password. Now they said account recovery. They said enter the last password that you remember using with this Google account. You don't also remember the last password you used, so you're going to click this try another way, because you don't remember the password you used. That's why you are trying to reset your password. So you go to try another way. So they said, is it you trying to recover your account? Device CPU iPhone OS 13.5 like Mac OS near Accra, Ghana. Time just now. So that means it's you, because you are just trying to reset your password and they have given you the details of the phone trying to reset the password. So since it's you, you're going to click yes. Now they said account recovery. This shows that okay, so because it's you holding the phone and you are claiming it's you, automatically it will be given. Now they said what? Change password. They said create a stronger password. Create a new strong password that you don't use for other websites. Now this place, when you get to this place, you will be after you have entered the info here, you'll be given another method to enter a different password. So now if maybe the password you want to use, the raw password you want to use, or the permanent password you want to use, please don't enter it at this point of the video or at this point of the step. So here you can just enter any password you want, any password that you want. So I'm just going to enter any password I want. Let me just enter. Okay, let me save. So you go to save. Now you see, so it's loading. Now they said choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts. Changing your password will sign you out of all other devices, including your phone. You will need to enter your new password on all your devices. Okay, so now this is the permanent password you are supposed to enter now. So the other one was just a temporary one to bring you to the permanent password place. So that the password I just entered was a temporary one, so I'm going to enter the permanent password I want to use now. So let me just enter it. So you're going to click change password. Your password was changed. So they said we keep your account protected. Take a minute to review important security settings in the security checkup. So you just go to get started. Then just you see it says security checkup, one issue found, sign in and recovery, add ways to verify it's you, your device, one signing device, recent security event. So that means the one signing device is the one you just entered a new password. So this is how so you go to click on continue to your Google account. So they just said your password was just changed this minute ago. So this is it. This is how you change your password. Just simple. So you just go back to your Google account, refresh your page. Just so they say your Google account was recovered successfully. Okay, so your password has been changed. So this is how you do it.